Hello, good morning friends. Hi, this is Ramesh Dharakya. Welcome to my channel Healthy Habit of Life. After a long time, I am here in front of you. Today I will discuss about dengue virus. Yes, do you know? Many of you know about dengue virus, but in detail I will discuss about it. So please stay and watch whole video. Okay, so dengue virus, generally it's called dengue virus, name given by WHO. Okay, but do you think that is it virus, maybe virus or may not be? You need to decide this. After I will explain you total thing about that. Okay, so let's go for that. See, dengue virus, generally some of the symptoms are there after one type of mosquito bite you people. Yes, but do you know how this virus spread and how mosquito carry this virus and bite you? See, first of all, I would like to inform you about this, that there is one cycle, two cycle of this. See, if there is any person who has a type of viruses or any type of viruses in his body, and if that particular Aedes mosquito, only Aedes mosquito, yes, one female mosquito is there, it's a name Aedes. Okay, if Aedes mosquito bite to that particular person, at that time whatever virus to that particular person transform to that particular mosquito. Okay, after 2 to 3 days mosquito will feel some of the symptom, and if it want to survive in this world, female mosquito Aedes need to transfer that virus to another person. So whenever that mosquito bite to anyone, at that time forward or transfer that virus to another person, and at that time we call it dengue virus. Yes, without any virus mosquito has, if mosquito has any type of virus in his body and it bite to anyone, there is no chances of dengue spread. Okay, so first of all you need to know about this, that how spread this virus. Okay, dengue Aedes mosquito carry this virus and transfer to another person. Okay, so there is one cycle when there is any human being has any kind of virus, and if mosquito bite to that particular person carries this virus, and if that particular mosquito bite to anyone, at that time that particular person, causes of this thing is of maybe many, but it's a true, it is a cycle of dengue viruses. Okay, mosquito carry this virus, and whenever bite to anyone it spread. Without that, if that Aedes mosquito bite you, there is no chances of dengue virus. Okay, so do you know what about dengue viruses? So symptoms like fever, mostly first in initial stage you will see fever 3 to 5 days minimum. Okay, if spread this virus in your body, okay, what happened in your body? In initial stage there is a fever. Okay, because people say dengue fever mostly. Okay, so you need to take precaution like any type of medicine which can reduce your fever, pyrogesic medicine, paracetamol or any other thing, it will reduce. But in after every time interval you need to take this medicine, because there is one incubation period for dengue virus, 3 to 14 days. In between time fever will reoccur, repeat. Okay, whenever you have virus in your body. Okay, so during this time there are number of symptoms in your body. You will see stomach ache, maybe diarrhea, vomiting or many other things, or mostly see in your blood count. If you go for report for this CBC, okay, you will see platelet down. Yes, there is one, there are number of parameter in CBC blood report. Okay, so you need to take one report. You need to give sample of your blood to any laboratory person, to any laboratory, and you will get it within half an hour, and you will diagnose it. Okay, but I want to inform you that there is no specific diagnosis by this report. Okay, yes, but in CBC you will see that if your platelet count down below 90,000, 80,000, 70,000, maybe 60,000, or maybe reduce than this, it may chances of dengue viruses. Okay, you can go for main report of this dengue virus report, IgG, IgM, dengue. You can take it whenever you go to hospital. The person like doctor will diagnose this with the help of this report. Okay, so this is all about dengue. Okay, so if whatever amount of platelet reduces, okay, so it's a true in this virus platelet reduces for one extent. But for your guide information, I want to inform you that after some time it may reduce to 10,000 or more less than that. At that time you will see another type of symptom like blood come out of your body, because of if no there are less platelet in your blood serum, chances of blood come out of your body, or maybe some of the reaction of blood in your body. Okay, so I hope can understand what I mean to say. For that, what you need to do here, see, manually at your home you can take some of the step to preventive these viruses. Okay, see, first of all, do you know that this kind of virus is spread by Aedes mosquito, which bite some of the people who has virus or any type of infection. At that time it carries this virus, and if that mosquito bite to anyone at that time spread this virus, we called it dengue. Okay, now what you need to do at your home so you can prevent from this virus? First of all, at sunrise you need to close every type of door or window of your home, so at the time of sunrise mosquito generally come to your home. Okay, and sunset, at the time of sunset you need to close down every type of window and door, so at that time mosquito generally come to your house. Okay, so first two step you need to follow. Okay, and second one, you need to verify or examine that around your house there is no pure water. Okay, collection of pure water anywhere at your house also. Okay, if you store water in any type of pot, any type of drum, any type of things, whatever you have, if pure water is there and if you don't cover that water, at that time there is a chances that Aedes mosquito put egg in that water, because as you know that this type of spice mosquito put eggs in pure water, not dirt water. Okay, so examine this thing in your house, either whatever type of place at your house, internally as well as externally, any place, but first check in your house. Okay, is there any stored water in your house or not covered fully? If you cover it, then there is no chances. Okay, so there are 4 step development of this egg to mature mosquito. Okay, larva stage 2 mosquito, you will find in uncovered water at your house that some of the larva stage mosquito, okay, ear type, you can see. So that is the first step. Okay, so examine this, it's your duty, you can prevent from this. Okay, you can take this kind of step. Okay, I hope can you understand. And another thing, if spread this virus in your body, So don't keep fear, because there is no medicine in this world for dengue viruses. One important thing is that you need not to reduce fluid in your body. So you need to take some of the steps. First of all, you need to take healthy diet, need not to take heavy meal, because whenever you take light meal, breakfast meal, lunch, dinner, wherever you time take food, so what happen, your body will increase or release energy. Okay, but if you take heavy food, okay, so need energy to digest that food instead of fight for viruses. Okay, so don't keep fear, you can take this kind of step in your life. In this rainy season there are number of chances. Right now, there are less death around us, so people get awareness, but before 10 to 20 years there are chances of number of people got viruses and die because of this. So I hope can understand what I mean to say. You need to take this kind of step, precautionary step in your life, in generally in rainy season, so you can prevent from this type of viruses. Okay, remember, Aedes mosquito, and only female mosquito, remember. Okay, female mosquito raise question about this, why female mosquito. So I would like to inform you about this, that female mosquito in its worm, there are number of eggs. Okay, so it want to survive its egg, she need to take nutrition, and in our body there is a protein and nutrition. So mosquito bite to us because of protein and nutrition, because it want to give that nutrition and protein to its egg. Okay, so there is no any things between mosquito and us, but this is the cycle. Okay, I hope can understand what I mean to say. Please watch this video, okay, and try to understand. It will help you to prevent this kind of viruses and be healthy. Okay, Jai Mahadev.